Hello student, our today's topic is chapter number 4 Advanced Structure Modeling, which is included in TY BSc Computer Science syllabus in Object Oriented Software Engineering subject. In this, today we will see what is classifiers, what are the advanced notation used in classes, some special properties included in attributes or operations, and template classes. As we know that class consists of three compartments, that is class name, attributes and operations. Now we have to see the advanced UML notation for a class symbol, in which the same concept is used in advanced behavioral structure, in that is class name, attributes as well as method name. But there should be an access specifiers are used in method compartment, that is public, private and protected. Plus symbol indicates public, hash symbol indicates protected and minus symbol indicates private. Whereas there will be class scope, that is header having frame header, unique id colon long, that means the attributes have with their data type. These all are the new features included in advanced structural modeling. Now there are the classifier mechanism that describe the structural as well as behavioral features, like interfaces contents of nodes, data type contents of use cases, whereas signals contents of subsystems. There are some classifiers like class having this symbol, okay, three compartment, that is class name, attributes as well as method name, in which interface has this symbol, okay. Then data type is included in a stereotype, that is double angular bracket. This is the symbol for data type. Then signals can be written in this way. Use cases are written. Subsystems are in this form. Then there should be a node and component. These all are the symbols included in a advanced structural modeling. There are, as I have already told, that there are visibility used in attributes as well as in a method, like public, private, protected, in which public have plus symbol, protected have hash symbol and private has minus symbol. Public access allowed for any outside classifier with the visibility to a given classifier, whereas protected access allowed for any descendant of the classifier, whereas private access restricted to the classifier itself. There will be a scope of the class, that is instance. Each instance of the classifier holds its own value, whereas classifier 1 value is held for all the instances of the classifier. That is underlined word is nothing but the classifier which having the scope of the class. Here unique ID is the scope of the class and the data type is nothing but the instance scope. Now, generalization concept. It is similar to inheritance concept, that means base class inherits the features from derived class, whereas derived class inherits the features from base class. This is the symbol for generalization. Okay, here is an icon class which contains rectangular icon and arbitrary icon, in which these two classes inherits the features from icon class. Same here, button inherits from rectangular icon and OK buttons inherits from button class. This is the concept for generalization. Then next is the multiplicity. As we know, there should be a relationship between, that is one to one, one to many, many to one and many to many. That all our multiplicity can be considered in this topic. Attributes. Attributes can be declared as attributes name with colon, that can be of data type or can be considered in a value. That syntax is what? Visibility, name, multiplicity, colon, type or initial the value or property string. That property string means a changeable. There should be no restriction. Add only, the values may not be removed or altered but may be added, and frozens may not be changed after initialization. That are the properties of attributes, in which plus origin is nothing but the visibility. Origin colon points are nothing but the name of the attribute and with their data type. The next is the head colon star items are nothing but the head is the attribute name, whereas star symbol consists of a complex data type, in which name 0 to 1 it means consists of an attribute having multiplicity 0 or 1 with string, that is data type. Next is the origin colon point equal to 0 0. It will consider that origin is an attribute name having point 0 to 0. And the last is id colon integer, that is frozen, that we have already seen that name and the property. Next is the operation. Operation also have the same, that visibility, then parameter list, in out or in out, in which it will consist the direction like in, that means input parameter that cannot be modified, out, that is output parameter may be modified, in out both the conditions, in out input as well as output parameter that can be modified. Next, it is last topic, that is a template class, which consists these symbols. See, there is same similar to class having three compartment: map, attribute name, and function, that is called as a method. This map is nothing but the template class because there are the template parameters. Hence, this symbol is considered as a template classes. Hope you have understood today's topic like classifier, visibility,